classification is on the main classes of organic molecules in cells and the functions. 4 classes of organic molecules in the cell are carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and nucleic acids. Carbohydrates are the main source of cellular energy and supplies materials to build cell structures. Carbs are water-soluble and contain carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. The size classifications of carbohydrates are monosaccharides, which are single sugars such as glucose and fructose, disaccharides, which are double sugars such as sucrose and lactose, and polysaccharides, which are complex carbs such as starch, glycogen, and cellulose. Lipids are important compounds of cell membrane and have several functions in the cell. Lipids form structure of the cell, provide long-term energy storage, and they are involved in the formation of membranes. Lipids can be broken into 3 categories: triglycerides, which are fats, phospholipids, and steroids. Triglycerides are the most abundant lipid and used for cellular energy. Phospholipids are major components of cell membranes, consist of glycerol, 2 fatty acids, and 1 phosphate, and have a hydrophilic and a hydrophobic ends. Steroids are widely distributed in the body with various functions used to synthesize adrenal and sex hormones. Proteins are used as structural materials, energy sources, hormones, receptors, enzymes, and antibodies. Nucleic acids carry genetic code or aid in protein synthesis. The building blocks of nucleic acids are called the nucleotides, which consist of sugar, a phosphate group, and an organic base. There are 2 major types of nucleic acids. DNA, which stores the genetic code, contains the sugar deoxyribose and composed of nucleotides with a structure of a double helix. RNA interacts with DNA to conduct protein synthesis, contains the sugar ribose, and composed of nucleotides with the structure of a single helix.